Hello, children. So we come back again to number systems. A quick recap of all the number systems that we had done in the last video. Decimal number system, which contains 10 digits, has a base of 10, and the digits that it contains are from 0 to 9. And each number can be used individually or they can be grouped to form another type of number using these digits only. Then we have binary number system. Bi means 2. So it has only 2 digits, 0 and 1. This also we had seen the reason why why does it has only 0 and 1. Now because this system uses only 2 digits, the base or radix is 2. And all the digital computers system will use binary number system because we have data input which gets converted into binary. The output from the binary, it gets converted to the user visible, which can be understood by the user. Now, why did we use binary or why do we use binary? We had given the reason here because the computer has circuits. Circuit has two states, on and off. On state is a 1, off state is a 0. So hence computer works with a binary number system. Okay. Now children, if you look at the last line, it says it further converts the binary results into their decimal equivalents for output. Now this conversion is the next topic that we are going to do. Conversion of one number system to another. First, let us finish the recap of the different number systems that we had studied. Octal means, octet means 8. So it uses 8 digits from 0 to 7. Hence, it has the base as 8. And you can group the numbers and write them down like this. Now, if you notice, children, these numbers can be read as decimal also. How do you differentiate? Is by writing down the base below the number. Only then we differentiate that whether we are talking about an octal number or we're talking about a decimal number. Okay. And the last number system that we did was hexadecimal number system. Hexa means previously also I told you, hexa means 6, decimal means 10. So 6 plus 10 is 16. Hexadecimal stands for 16 symbols that are used by this number system. So we have digits are total 10. We cannot create more digits. So then we move to the alphabets. A, which represents 10, B 11, C 12, D 13, E 14, and F 15. So from 0 to 15, these are 16 different symbols that represent hexadecimal number system. Now this is a very, very important chart, children, where you need to know the values of the equivalent decimal and the binary. See, the binary is written in 4 digits. It is called as a bit. 0 decimal is 0000, 4 bits. 1 bit is a binary number. Decimal 1 is 0001. A decimal 2 is 0010. A decimal 3 is 0011. This is how you're going to read out the binary numbers. A decimal 4 is 0100. Decimal 5, 0101. Decimal 6, 0110. Decimal 7, 0111. So if you see 0, 4 bits, this is occupying only 1 bit of the space. This is occupying 2 bits of the space. 3 is occupying 2 bits of the space. When it comes to 4, it is occupying 3 bits. This 0 is just to fill in to make it a 4 bit number. ठीक है, तो 7 के बाद आप देखोगे 4 bit नंबर लिखे जा रहे हैं. After 7, 0, 111 is 7, and then we have 8 as 1000, 9 as 1001. All 4 bits are having some value. ठीक है, और 15 डेसिमल 15 जो हेक्साडेसिमल f है, that is as 1111. ठीक है, so this hexadecimal, decimal and binary, this you have to remember. Okay, we will further see the conversion, but this has to be memorized also, that how do you write down a 7. If somebody is asking you a 7 in decimal, what is equivalent in binary, so you should know it is 111. Okay, so note down this table in your notebooks. Write down this table in the notebook in the same form that it has been written. Now let us come to the new topic, conversion of a decimal number to binary number. Decimal number is a number which has base 10, and binary number is a number which consists of 2 digits. It's either 0 or 1. What is the base of binary? 2. What will be done here is you will repeatedly divide the decimal number by the base of the number it has to be converted into. ठीक है, बाइनरी का बेस है 2, तो आप यहाँ पे देखो एग्जाम्पल में 243 डिवाइड करोगे, 21 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder. Write down the quotient and also the remainder at the side. We divide 2. I said repeatedly divide करना है जब तक हमें less than 2 नहीं आ जाता है. Now 21 divided by 2 gives a quotient as 10 and a remainder as 1. Dividing 2 by 10 gives a quotient of 5 and a remainder as 0. Children, take out your copy, notebook and paper and do it side by side. Divide this 5 by 2, the quotient is 2, the remainder is 1. Divide 2 by 2, quotient is 1, the remainder is 0. ठीक है, divide 2 by 2, I said the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 0. ठीक है, now what are we going to do is we will stop the division here. Why? Because now I have got a number which is less than 2 and it cannot be further divided. Now because it cannot be further divided, I take that digit from the bottom to the top and write down the equivalent binary. Now look at the number from the bottom, children. 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. This arrow is very important because you have to write it down from the bottom to the top, not the top to the bottom. उल्टा लिखोगे फिर इसको. Now this 43 can be read as 43, not 34. नंबर गलत हो जाता है फिर. We read it the other way. The digits are 4 and 3 only, isn't it? Similarly here, you will read it from the bottom to the top. Now this is how you will write down the answer. 43 to the base 10. That means I have converted a decimal number to a binary number. 101011 to the base 2 gives me the decimal number. Okay. Again, two more examples. 35 2 divided by 2 gives us 7 1 remainder, 17, sorry, 1 as a remainder. Divide 17 by 2, 8 as the quotient, 1 as the remainder. The remainder has to be written alongside. Divide 8 by 2, 4 as the quotient, 0 as the remainder. Divide 4 by 2, 2 as the quotient, 0 as the remainder. Divide 2 by 2, 1 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. It is showing you clearly. Start from the 1 at the bottom and go till the first remainder that you got. So the equivalent of 35, here you will write down 35 to the base 10 is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1. Understood? Now see children, the 15 decimal that we had seen in that table, the 15 decimal equivalent binary was 1111. This is how you get. Divide 15 by 2, you get the quotient as 7, remainder as 1. 2 sevens are 14. Divide 7 by 2, quotient is 3, remainder is 1. Divide 3 by 2, quotient is 1, remainder is 1. From the bottom to the top, 1, 1, 1, 1. The binary equivalent of the decimal number 15 is 1, 1, 1, 1. Children, please note that whenever you are writing down a number, you have to use the base. Here also 15 to the base 10 hona chahiye. Here 111 to the base 2 hona chahiye. This is how you will end it in your notebook. Now let us understand one very important term, bit, which can be a significant, most significant, or it can be least significant. What is bit? I already told you. A binary number has a short form as bit. B is taken from binary and IT is taken from digit. So it becomes a bit. And a binary digit is either 0 or 1. So if I write down 0, it is 1 bit. I write down 0, 0, it is 2 bits. Now here I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bits. And a collection of 8 bits is called as a byte. This is how the memory is measured, children. You might have seen MB, KB, GB. It stands for gigabyte, kilobyte, megabyte. Okay? So this byte means 8 bits collectively they are called as a byte. 7 नहीं, 5 नहीं. जब 8 होंगे तो वो byte बनेगा. 7 होगा तो वो 7 bits बोला जाएगा. 5 होगा तो वो 5 bits बोला जाएगा. और अगर 4 होता है, जैसे यहाँ पे 4 is the bit actually which is having some value. This is called as a nibble. Nibble. Okay. Now, when we read out the number 43, children, how do you read out 43 as 4, 3? 3 as at a units place or ones place and 4 at a tens place. Similarly, these binary numbers written are written in the way that this first bit is called as the LSB. If we go always read the number from the right hand side to the left hand side for the least or the most. So the number is from the right hand side to the left hand side, the least significant bit and the most significant bit. इनको हम least और most क्यों बोलते हैं, I will explain you later, but you should know the terms MSB and LSB. So the term bit, byte, nibble, MSB, LSB. These are the terms you should be aware of. For the conversion, children, practice different decimal numbers and see the conversion. You can take any number from your mind, brain, and कुछ भी सोच लो. 73 को डिवाइड करते हैं, चलो 73 को कन्वर्ट करते हैं, चलो 25 को कन्वर्ट करके देखते हैं, चलो 56 को कन्वर्ट करके देखते हैं. Any decimal number can be converted into binary by a repeated division method, which is also called as double method. Thank you, children.